Oh, hi. This is me, Callum, and I'm starting this blog, and, well, this is to see if this blog app works. It's good to ride on your bike through the woods. Woohoo!
Let me learn how to fly. Let me be by
My father said the motorboat burned wet leaves on a small fire.
Shh. Skyhawk, take me with you. Do that again! Do it again! Get in line, get in the queue. You got a new bag, you got new shoes at school.
I read the book by Gill about a year and a half ago, and within about 10 pages I realised that the story had something really special.
Skyhawk, lead the way. Skyhawk.
It's very much a story about friendship and about coping with loss. The message is, if you really care about somebody, you can change their lives.
'Cause me and you's got things to do and say, and games to go and
Also,
play.
it marries our concerns with the environment, which is a big thing for young people, with what modern technology can do.
In the fading light, scrubland and trees appear.
You've got all the options of understanding about literacy, about language, about how we understand each other. That's all in the book and now on stage.
Whoa, that is cool, but when we rescued her, we had a tracking system fitted. Cool!
Skyhawk is very good, and the acting and the singing, the songs were brilliant.
The singing was really, really amazing, and I think my favourite character was Iona.
I really liked the fact that it was set out as a blog.
All the technology stuff was really good, like with Google Earth and stuff.
Yeah, I definitely recommend this to my friends.
The book is hugely popular, so there's no reason on earth why there isn't an audience for Skyhawk right across Britain, and also it's been translated into many languages, so let's go wild with it.
Sky